So now we have looked at the basics of a straight line, what a straight line means, and in what direction it goes, and how is that direction indicated. Now is the time to look at the various forms of a straight line, or given certain conditions or certain points or certain inclinations of a straight line, how can we write down the equation of a straight line? Different forms of the equation of a straight line. The first and probably the most commonly known form of a straight line is the slope-intercept form. This form can be used when we know the slope of the line and the y-intercept of the line. What is the y-intercept? The distance from the origin at which the line cuts the y-axis is called the y-intercept. In the diagram, it is denoted by the small c. As you can see, that is the distance between the origin and the point on the y-axis where the line cuts the y-axis. So in that case, if the slope is known and the quantity c is known, we can write the equation of the line as y is equal to mx plus c. Another important thing about the equation of a straight line in the slope-intercept form is that if the line passes through origin, then the y-intercept becomes 0 because the distance between origin and itself is 0, and therefore the quantity c becomes 0. Therefore, we write y is equal to mx plus c. Therefore, y is also 0 and x is also 0 because the line passes through the origin. Therefore, 0 is equal to m into 0 plus c, and thus we get c also as 0. So that's just another form of getting c is equal to 0. So equation of a line which is passing through origin will always be of the form y is equal to mx. There will not be any constant part. Okay, so when we have an equation of the line of the type, say y is equal to 5x or y is equal to minus half into x or something like that, then we can be sure that the line passes through the origin. If there is a constant term which exists in the equation of a straight line, then we can be sure that the line does not pass through the origin. And conversely, if there is no constant term, therefore it means that the line passes through the origin. If we are given the general equation of a straight line, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then we get y is equal to, after some algebraic rearrangement, we get y is equal to minus a upon b x plus minus c upon b, where the x is multiplied by minus of a upon b. So thus, if we are given the general equation, we can quickly convert it to the slope-intercept form and find out the y-intercept as well as the slope of the line. For example, if we have the equation of a line given by 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0, this equation by itself does not give us any idea about the slope of the line or the y-intercept. However, by rearrangement, I can write this equation as y is equal to 3 by 4 x plus 2 by 4. So that's 3 by 4 x plus 1 upon 2. So comparing it with y is equal to mx plus c form, we get the slope m as 3 upon 4 and c as 1 upon 2. So thus the slope of the line is 3 upon 4 and the y-intercept is 1 upon 2.